Hey there! In this video I'll show you how I fixed a 20 amp Hikvision power supply powering a 16-channel DVR system with only 13 CCTV cameras connected. Let's get into it. The DVR is a Hikvision 16-channel model, and though only 13 cameras were connected, the entire system went offline. The problem was traced to the 20 amp power supply. It had failed. After opening the unit and running basic voltage and continuity tests, I identified multiple faulty components. Here's a quick rundown of the damaged parts. 2 BTP13009Y2 transistors, 3 electrolytic capacitors, 1000 microfarad by 16 volts, 2 resistors, 1.8 ohms, 1 UTC 494 PWM IC, which regulates and stabilizes the DC output voltage in a CCTV camera power supply by controlling the switching of power transistors for efficient power conversion. Next, I replaced the 2 BTP13009Y2 transistors with ST13009, a compatible alternative with high voltage tolerance. Then, I changed all 3 1000 microfarad capacitors rated at 16 volts. These are essential for filtering and voltage stability. The 2 1.8 OHM resistors, which supply the base of the transistors, were also replaced. Lastly, I installed a new UTC 494 PWM controller IC, after fixing an IC socket, which regulates the switching behavior of the transistors. After replacing all components, I powered up the unit. The output voltage was stable. Note: please ensure you tighten the transistors to the heatsink properly to avoid damage of the transistors due to high temperature. I tested the camera power and it was okay, then I connected it back to the DVR and camera system. Everything came back online smoothly. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, leave a like, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more electronics repair content. See you in the next video.